Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I will be sharing with you how to bake fish without an oven. I'll be using peppers, ginger, garlic, onions, spring onions. I have them nicely clean and cut. I'll transfer them inside a blender and I will blend. That is done. Next, in a pan, I'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add the blended peppers. I'll season with seasoned powder, salt, thyme. You may use any season of your choice and I'll stir. I'll be leaving the sauce to cook on a medium to low heat until the sauce is nicely cooked. The sauce is been cooking now for some time. I will check, and at this point, this pepper sauce is ready. You can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Next, I will slice one lemon and set that aside. Next, I will be using tilapia fish. I'll squeeze lime over the fish to clean the fish. You can also use lemon as well. This is going to help reduce the strong smell of fish. Add room temperature water. Allow the fish to sit inside the water for about 10 minutes and then wash the fish. And I have taken out the scale from this fish already. I'll rinse the fish and then set that aside. Next, I'll be using a kitchen scissors to remove the fins from the fish. Then I use a knife to cut a line on the fish. This is going to help the spices to enter the fish very well. I'll repeat the process with the other side of the fish. Next, pat the fish dry with a paper towel. And I'll coat the fish with the pepper sauce. I'll flip the fish to the other side and coat that side as well. Then transfer the fish inside a foil to wrap the fish. I'll be placing rosemary inside the fish to flavor the fish. I'll add some of the lemons. I'll also place some of the lemons on top of the fish. This is going to take this fish to another level of deliciousness. I'll wrap up the fish very well with the foil. I'll double the foil to prevent the juice from the fish from coming out when the fish is baking. And I'll leave the fish to marinate for about 10 minutes before baking the fish. Next, I'll be baking the fish inside the pot. I'll add some salt. You can use sand as well. This is just going to help to protect the pot. I'll place a rack inside the pot, cover and leave it to preheat for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll place the fish inside the pot. I'll cover and leave it to bake on a medium to high heat for 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, I will flip the fish to the other side and allow that side to bake for 40 minutes as well. It takes longer to bake on the stove top than in the oven. And how long you bake the fish depends on the size of the fish. The fish is ready. I'll remove it from the pot, place it on a tray, allow it to cool down a bit, open it, and this fish smells amazing. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. I'm just going to open it. Just look at that. It smells amazing, and this fish was very, very delicious. I'll place some of the pepper sauce on the side, and I'm serving it with fried potatoes. You can enjoy it with plantains as well. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching me from, and in my next video I will send you a special love. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.